one of the issues, I guess, with dropshipping was when you're actually dropshipping from a supplier and you have that listing on your website, and you're making a lot of sales, it wasn't connected to the manufacturer's website. So if they ran out of stock and you made a lot of sales, you'd go back to the supplier and you couldn't fulfill these orders. But with and I mean, when I was doing dropshipping for about 2013, we had this massive Excel sheet, and it basically had the link of the listing where I was selling it, and then a link of the actual supplier. And I used to get someone to check it on a daily basis to make sure there was actually inventory, and then put it to zero. There's a lot of work in it. But with the print on demand, what you're saying is because it connects with Shopify, when they run out of stock, what they're trying to do, and it seems like they're kind of doing it, is instantly making it out of stock on your Shopify store so no one actually purchases it. Right.
Hey there, this is Neil-Asher from the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. I want to say a big thank you for watching this video. That video actually was from the regular Monday night Q&A session, excuse me, that I have with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. Over 2,500 of us now, and growing, by the way. We're the fastest growing community of e-commerce entrepreneurs right here in Australia, with sales, by the way, of over $50 million. Now, if you'd like to find out more about what we do at the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs and get yourself off there and come and join us, all you need to do is go to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au. AussieOnlineEntrepreneurs.com.au. The link for that, by the way, is underneath this video, and I will welcome you with open arms and look forward to seeing you in the next video. Till then, have a good one. Bye.